I mean, this is my natter handle case, man. My dang knife I've had for a long time. I had to pay postage.
Right.
And cost me $10 to ship an envelope to Florida. And then the envelope I shipped cost me $10 to ship it back. I said, heck, it's just a $30 knife. I'm paying $20 to get it back.
Good morning, boys. Welcome to another episode of Tater Ridge TV. It is 6:02 in the morning on the day of opening day of Kentucky turkey season 2024. And camp's full, and we're about to go get after them.
You want an apple, take with you for
We got
good
the
luck?
boys out here this morning.
You got teeth.
Don't turn him down,
So,
Dave. He'll get upset.
We're going to try to get one to gobble, so if we can get on one, stay tuned.
He's on the ground. Let him know. Here.
He's in the field.
Thank you. That ain't him in the field, that's him hen.
I see a gobbler in the field.
Do you?
Yeah, big white head. Well, there must be a different one. The one we're looking at ain't the gobbler, but he's strutting.
That ain't a hen, that's them boy. That's Cody and them.
Gobbler.
Yeah.
Oh, don't move. He got a big old beard.
You got him on camera?
Mm-hmm. Don't let that hen bust us.
He's coming.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna have to get my gun out sometime.
When he goes in that dip right there.
Yeah.
Just don't let this hen bust us right here.
Where's she at?
Right over the hill, the one that was clucking. You gonna kill this one.
See?
Yep, I'm on him. I've got him.
That Williams all in the way.
Let's go. You want me to step on him? I can get him. I can get him. Let's go, man.
Sorry, Walker.
Congratulations, dude. That was awesome, man. Congratulations, brother. That was awesome, man.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. Man,
Holy crap, dude.
he never gobbled unless I came back down.
I thought he was down here.
I kept hearing that heavy clucking. I said, he's coming.
Dude, I got it the whole thing.
Yeah! Thank you, Lord.
Thank you, Lord.
Thank
you, Jesus.
Day in the neighborhood.
Awesome. Let's go. Hey, I don't even know what time it is. It's right at
6:38.
6:38, son.
And he's still gobbling over.
This ain't even the gobbler we've been on all morning. He just come out of the woods and come right to us, man. Eston don't tap him, son. Oh.
Yeah.
Man, we got turkeys gobbling everywhere.
I mean, there's at least 6 or 8 turkeys. They still one gobbling over there where we generally kill them.
Man, that was crazy. I thought he was gone. I thought he was left with that hen that was putting.
I never did see the hen.
I didn't either. And then he popped up over here.
Yeah, I seen him walking up. There was 2 bunches of yellow right here.
Yeah.
And I seen him walking up, fanned up. I could just see his fan. And then next thing I know, the big
You
head.
seen him, and I said, "Oh my God!" We were standing up, son.
We were standing up. We had to stand up to see him. Oh my
Heck
goodness.
yeah, man, that was awesome.
Man,
Congratulations.
thank you, thank you, thank you.
I wonder what he's got for.
He ain't got much spur. I ain't even seen the beard. He's just a 2-year-old. He's about 3/4 inch spur. He got about a 9 or 10 inch beard though.
Man.
Oh man.
Heck yeah, buddy. Congratulations.
I knew this new diaphragm was on get him. I mean, man alive.
Congratulations, man. Man, that was epic.
I mean, that was good as it gets.
It don't get no better. Son, if that don't start your fire, your wood's wet, buddy. Come on.